SPRIGATITO PALDEA COLLECTION. Okay, so let's look inside the box. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so first we have Soy Coco. And then Paxley. And then exclusive to this box is Sprigatito. Here's a closer look of the pin. And then here's the Jumbo Coraidon EX card. And actually I bought a Jumbo card binder because I didn't really know where to put them, so I just got one. Okay, so now we have 2 Brilliant Star booster packs and 2 Silver Tempest booster packs. Okay, first booster pack, Silver Tempest, Thunder Energy, Sigilif, Serena, Emergency Jelly, Stunfisk, Clink, Dratini, Fletchling, Routes, Reverse Holo Vulpix, and Secret Rare Rainbow Trainer card. Nice. Okay. Second booster pack, Brilliant Stars. Thunder Energy again. Rosian's Backup. Ultra Ball. Vibrava. Bidoof. Electabuzz. Howlucha. Breezel. Whoa! Spoiler! Gibble and a Trainer Gallery Dedenne. Third booster pack, another Brilliant Stars. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fighting Energy, Probopass, Friends in Galar, Team Yell's Cheer, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Reverse Holo Moltres, nice, and regular rare Klinklang. Okay, last but not the least, our fourth booster pack, Silver Tempest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. Water Energy, Fletchinder, Rockloak, Lantern, Baltoy, Sunkern, Fanpy, NDD, Marini, Reverse Holo, Primordial Altar, and regular rare Keldeo. So I guess we only have 2 hits. Secret rare Rainbow Trainer card and Trainer Gallery Dedenne with 3 Reverse Holos, Moltres, Vulpix, and Primordial Altar. And we also have the 3 starter Pokemons from Scarlet and Violet. Okay, so we have an order from Shopee. So this one is from Zenorv. Zenorv has quite a good selection of trainer cards and other Pokemon singles and other Pokemon stuff. So I assume these are the cards. And I also ordered a binder for the jumbo cards. So let's look at that. Is this really included with the binder? I think it's included with the binder. We'll look at that later. We're just gonna quickly check the cards I bought because I actually forgot. Okay. You gotta be careful. What's this? That's a thick top loader right there. Okay. So I got Galarian Mr. Mime. I think it's 4 pieces. Oh yeah, I think this is for the Galarian Mr. Rhyme for the Mad Party deck that I'm trying to build. And then Tyranitar V. And then some assorted supporter cards. Fisherman, Skypillar. I don't know why I bought these. I didn't order this one, but I now have a Mega Evolution Charizard EX. Okay, I ordered some energy cards and I also ordered some fairy energy cards. You will be missed. And then Aether Paradise Conservation Area, Energy Recycle System, and Max Potion. I don't know if... Yeah, just some random stuff that I added. So... Okay. So this is perfect. We have another additional jumbo card that we can add in the binder. So this is a Jumbo Celebrations Pikachu. Okay, so it has 30. So it holds 30 oversized cards. We're gonna be putting our Koraidon cards in here and also this Pikachu. Okay. Nice. So there we have it, guys. We now have a place for our jumbo cards to stay protected. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.